Hello everyone and welcome, and today I'm going to be doing a quick review on kits.ai. I'm going to give you the important details about kits.ai. Now the important details about kits.ai: 1. AI music creation tool. You see, it provides studio quality AI tool for music producers, vocalists and content creators. Also has AI voice cloning. It has AI voice cloning, it has AI singing generator, we have about 5 royalty free AI artist voices, it has vocal removal and isolation, it has vocal removal and isolation, it has so many good things like AI mastering, one click AI mastering for music stems and samples, it has stem splitter, voice blending, it has AI instrument library, it has text to speech where you can generate realistic audio from text using various voices. It also has voice designer and variants. It has ethical licensing and fair compensation, and then monetization opportunities, so the creators can potentially earn passive income by creating and sharing their voice models on the platform. So you can also be a creator. It has API integration, and finally it has a free and paid plans also for more advanced functionality and usage. What are you waiting for? Want to give it a try?